In this video, I'm gonna share with you a free Etsy traffic hack that you can use right now, and actually you can use it all the way through the year because Etsy wants to send you free traffic. Yeah, I know. Sounds kind of weird, right? Yeah, okay, sure. The only way to get found in Etsy is to be able to show up in search and get your SEO game on point, right? Yeah, you can. And yes, that's good practice. You should do that. But really, Etsy does want to promote your products, but they also want you to do a little something for them. And that is, yes, create a great product. No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about they want you to run a sale. That's what they want you to do. Why do they want you to do that? Well, because they want you to offer a discount. So this way here, their users are benefiting, but they will reward you. And there's actually a lot of rewards that I don't hear people talking about that I'm going to share with you a little bit later. So stick around for that. Some things that you can use to really leverage this when you do get this traffic, because then what they'll do is they'll try to push your products even more. All right. So I'm going to share that with you here in a little bit. So stick around. But the first thing I really want you to understand is run a sale. Like, do it, because there's so many benefits. And let me show you, like right now, the time that I'm recording this, we're heading into the fourth quarter. Well, they're going to have this big sale event. Guess what? You can be included. Yeah, all you got to do is just run a sale. So you go in, you set up a sale, and then boom, it's going to be live. Let me show you what they're doing right now for us Etsy sellers. So here we are on the Etsy homepage, right? You've probably seen it look like this, and you're like, okay, Scott, there's nothing fantastic here. Well, there's actually something really fantastic here, and that is this here, holiday sales event. Now, this here will change, okay? And so your one big takeaway I want you to really understand is this here will change for the next holiday or the next big event. This might be Labor Day. This might be Father's Day. It might be Mother's Day. It might be Teachers Week. Any of those things, Etsy is always getting behind those. That's why we want to create something, either a product for that occasion, or we want to at least have a sale for that occasion. So just understanding that Etsy is always trying to think a little bit ahead to get their audience or their customers excited. So this way here, they can get in front of them with a sale so they buy more. And that's what they want. They want to get more sales, and you can help them do that. So now if I click in here and click on holiday sale event, you can see it's got this beautiful page, right? Well, right now we're heading into the holidays, and it says the early holiday sales event is here. It's never too soon to stock up on a special. Enjoy 20% plus off festive finds and get a head start on the holidays. All right. Now here it says ends 11/17, 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. Participating shops only. Wait a minute. What did they say? Participating shops only. So what do you need to do to participate? Well, it's pretty simple. You have to participate. You have to create a sale. Now, if we look at this at a glance, it's giving us like main things that they know people are looking for. They're looking for stockings. They're looking for ornaments. They're looking for personalized jewelry. They're looking for hosting essential sales, outwear sales, pajama sales. All of these are like their top ones that they know people are searching for because they have the data. But it gets better. More jolly good deals right this way. I can literally go in there and type in whatever I'm looking for to see if something comes up. So this is a search engine for sales. It's an Etsy sales search engine. Let me say that one more time. It's an Etsy sales search engine, and you can be included in this search engine. If you don't run a sale, guess what? You can't be included. They also go a little bit further here and say, don't know where to start? Here are some popular searches. They're giving us the data. They're saying, oh, wait a minute, user, do you want personalized puzzles? Do you want a necklace? Do you want a pet portrait? Do you want a cutting board? How about some barware? Baby's first Christmas, stocking stuffers, unique gift. Oh, and time out here real quick. I'm going to share this with you. This is another little ninja tip here. If you have a brand that focuses on a certain niche, well, think about this. They're giving us this here personalized puzzle. Is there a personalized puzzle that I could create for my niche for, I don't know, maybe like baby's first Christmas or something like that? Probably. And there are print-on-demand services out there that do offer puzzles. I know that firsthand. So moving on, they're giving us, the seller, an opportunity to be included in this search engine. Do you think that people are going to go here to search as far as a customer? Absolutely. Why? Because they want to save money. So they're going to advertise this. They're going to advertise this page. They're going to run Google ads for this, and you're not going to pay a thing. The only thing you're going to do is run a sale. So let me show you now how it gets really exciting and really, really fun. So check this out. You list your product for 20% off. Now, they're going to list it here inside of that page I just shared with you, the Etsy sales page. And then also, here's something else that a lot of people are not talking about. Let's say that you are running that sale. And let's say that you have people that have favorited your shop or favorited that item. Guess what? Etsy is going to send them a message. They're going to send them a personal notification in their Etsy account to let them know that there's a sale going on an item that you might be interested in or on a shop that you might be interested in. That is huge. Hopefully that sunk in. But remember, if you want to be able to reap the benefits, you got to have a sale. So now Etsy does say that not everyone is going to be featured and not everyone is going to show up as much. And the reason why? Well, because you might not fit the criteria that they're looking for, but they do give you some tips. So here they are right now, straight from Etsy. So here it is right inside of Etsy, right inside their help center. They are telling you exactly what you need to do to participate. Now, I'm not going to go through this whole thing. This is pretty self-explanatory. They want you to set up a sale and they tell you how to do it, which is pretty simple. But I want to go down here because this is where I want to share with you what they say as far as how does Etsy select which items are featured. It says it right here, the qualities that Etsy's merchandising team look for in a featured shop include great photography, unique items for sale, a well-crafted story, which includes an about section. So that's why we want to build out our store the right way and create a well-developed brand. That's what they say. Now, wait a minute. I want to call a timeout here real quick. I don't hear anyone talking about the importance of creating a brand on Etsy. I hear a lot of people talking about, oh, just launch a whole bunch of products in a whole bunch of different niches and just create what we call a garage sale or a general store. I've never been a fan of that. My wife's Etsy shop is not that. We are focusing on one niche and we're focusing on creating a brand because when they come into your shop, you want them to feel as though they're in the right place. Think about someone that walks into a Bass Pro Shop. They're going in there to look for fishing stuff, hunting stuff. Even though it's Bass Pro Shop, we all know it's about the outdoorsman. And they go on to say, by having any or all of these areas covered, you can increase your chances of being featured in a site-wide sales event. To qualify for inclusion in Etsy's features for a sales event, you must also match the sale criteria. And that will vary, but in this case, they want you to at least be a 20% off sale. And a lot of times they want it to be site-wide. So you do need to make sure that your margins are going to be able to withstand it. But the cool thing about this is, if you're thinking about this as a business move, when you have someone that comes in as a customer, even if they got a discount, they're going to now be able to see more of your other stuff that they can buy more. And then you can turn them into a revisiting customer, someone that is going to remember your brand, and then from there, come back and buy more. So sometimes you want to run these sales, even if you're new, to just get people in the door. So something to think about. And here, I think this is important also. They say you don't need to be featured to benefit from participating in the sales event. Most of the items that Etsy features will link to a page showing items similar to the one that was featured. If one of your items is relevant and has a good presence in Etsy search, then it may be shown in those results. So if someone does look at that one item, you may come up alongside it because you have a relevant product. So you don't just have to be featured in order to gain extra free traffic. So what do you think? Are you going to have a sale? Are you going to get in on some of that free traffic? I would. So listen, if you've gotten value from this video, do me a favor, smash the like button, drop a comment down below. Let me know, are you going to have a sale? I would love to know. Drop it in the comments. And if you did enjoy this video on getting free traffic from Etsy, I'm gonna leave another one right here that's gonna share with you our 5 tips for creating better SEO within your listing so you can start showing up in search and getting more of that free traffic. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video for you. I hope it helped you a ton, and I'll see you in the next video.